Have you ever wondered who truly controls the world of luxury? Forget what you think you know about designer brands, secret fortunes, and Swiss billionaires. Today, we dive into the enigmatic story of Gerard Wertheimer, the silent force behind Chanel, the king of Switzerland's fortunes, and one of the most secretive billionaires you'll never see on the front pages. Stay with us, because what you're about to discover will change your view of wealth, legacy, and exclusivity forever. If this already sparks your curiosity, smash that like button and subscribe. Your journey into the lives of Switzerland's elite starts now. Gerard Wertheimer, the silent billionaire Gerard Wertheimer, isn't your typical billionaire. No flashy social media, no extravagant interviews. He prefers the quiet luxury of Geneva and New York, controlling Chanel with his brother Alain and rarely appearing in public. As of 2025, his estimated net worth surpasses $44 billion, making him the richest resident in Switzerland, thanks to Chanel's post-pandemic boom and his family's legacy of discretion. But who is this man who commands a global empire from the shadows? Forbes Plus 2 is Gerard's silence hiding secrets even the fashion elite would tremble to confront. Hit like if you want to see more about secretive billionaires and comment below. Do you think true wealth lives in the shadows? A family legacy built in secrecy. The Wertheimer story begins almost a century ago, with Gerard's grandfather striking a partnership with Coco Chanel herself. The acquisition of the perfume division by the Wertheimer family forged an alliance that propelled Chanel to the top of global luxury, yet the family chose to keep their power far from the spotlight. Through wars, scandals, and industrial revolutions, Gerard inherited the dynasty, shaping the brand's untouchable exclusivity. Subscribe now and drop a comment. How would you preserve a billion-dollar legacy? Your ideas could appear in the next episode. But was all this secrecy a choice, or a necessity forced by the turbulent history of Europe's elite? Switzerland's elite. Why Gerard chose to live here? Switzerland is famous for its neutrality, security, and discretion, and for hosting the world's most powerful fortunes. Gerard Wertheimer's move to Geneva wasn't just personal, it was strategic. Here, he joins a select group of ultra-rich, from innovators to secretive tycoons. Swiss laws, privacy, and financial infrastructure make it the perfect base for global billionaires seeking security and anonymity. Smash like if you want a deep dive on Swiss banking secrets. Have questions about how fortunes are managed in Switzerland? Drop them below. What secrets do Swiss vaults really hide? Could there be more than just money inside? We'll reveal the truth in a future episode. The rise of Chanel. From perfume to empire under Gerard's rule, Chanel evolved from a legendary perfume house into an empire of high fashion, jewelry, watches, and global influence. His leadership was marked by hiring visionary creatives like Karl Lagerfeld and driving innovation in every sector. The launch of the iconic J12 watch and record fashion revenues highlight his role in transforming Chanel's identity for the new millennium. A Traders Union +1 like and subscribe for exclusive stories behind iconic brands. What's your favorite Chanel story? Share below. Can the next chapter of Chanel break away from tradition and set new standards in luxury? Beyond fashion, vineyard, horses, and philanthropy, Gerard isn't just a fashion mogul. He owns prestigious vineyards, racehorses, and invests in sustainability. Unlike other billionaires, he avoids the media but quietly supports causes that drive impact in art, culture, and society. His low-profile lifestyle hides extraordinary investments, such as his French vineyards and philanthropic activities in Switzerland and beyond. Hit like if you love luxury lifestyle insights. Would you choose vineyards or horses if you were a billionaire? Tell us in the comments. Is Gerard's private life an example for future billionaires, or is there a darker side to extreme discretion? The succession mystery. Leadership for a new generation. With Gerard approaching his mid-70s, the world watches to see who will inherit the Chanel legacy. The Wertheimers are renowned for grooming successors away from public view, involving family and trusted confidants in succession planning. This chapter is still being written, and conflicts or choices made now could decide Chanel's fate for decades. Like, subscribe, and comment. Who should be the next leader of Chanel? Your opinion might just shape the discussion. What happens if the new leader breaks the family's rules? Will Chanel survive another revolution? Wealth, power, and the mystery of influence. Gerard Wertheimer's fortune isn't just money. It's influence, legacy, and global reach. As Switzerland's richest resident, every move he makes shapes the future of luxury, art, and even philanthropy. Yet the biggest questions remain. What secrets do the silent billionaires hold, and what can we learn from their power plays? Like if you want more episodes in this series. Subscribe for the next billionaire story, coming soon. And drop your own cliffhanger. What question do you want answered about Switzerland's secret billionaires? The most intriguing comment will set the stage for our next episode.